Okay, welcome back to ATAR exam preparation video. Today we're going to discuss a complex familiar question for exponential function. So we have a exponential function for volume of water in a tank representing the volume is VT, and it's equal to the function A. So have a look at the function first. So function is, we got two unknown coefficients, A and K. So V is liters. Time is, T is a time in minutes. So we got two conditions given. So one is when the volume, when time equal to 0, which is initial value, which is 100 liters. The other one is a velocity is decreased at 50 minutes. So that means the initial velocity is decreased. Now decreasing, we need to remember, is negative 50 liters per minute. So very important to give the negative value for velocity, for the gradient. So the rates of change is negative because it's decreasing. So very important word, decreasing. So now we need to, so that's a given. So what we need to find out, we need to find out what time is when the velocity, the gradient or rates of change of the volume is at 50/7 liters per second per minute. So let's do that. So let's solve this question. First, we need to decide a couple of things. So we need to decide what A is and what K is. So I'm going to using these conditions to do that. So first, we know VT or V. So let's substitute V0 into the formula. So which we know is 100. So when the time is initial, so 100. So that gives us 100 equal to A times by e to the power of A times by 0. So let's give us because that's a 1. So therefore A is 100. So therefore my volume formula become, so A is the term. So we call KT. So now we need to find out what K is. So we also know is the velocity when the initial rates of change for the volume is negative 50. So therefore we can, let's do the velocity, the rates of change for the volume is, we know is 100 times by K, because that's K times by KT. So that equal to, so let's substitute negative 50 on the left-hand side equal to K times by e to the power of K times by 0. So that's give us K is negative half. So now we got the full version of the volume equal to 100 times by e to the power of negative half T. So that's my volume formula. Now we're going to determine when the VT equal to 50/7. Sorry, that's a gradient. That's a rate of change of that. So we need to find out what is the time. So let's do the rates of change, so which is the derivative of V volume, which is equal to negative half times by 100 times by e to the power negative T. So the answer will be sorry, I'll give you negative because the decrease is negative. So therefore, we're going to determine the answer will be negative 50 times by e to the power of. All right, so now we're going to substitute negative 50 over 7 equal to negative 50 e negative half t. So therefore, so let's cancel negative 50 out. So our e to the power of negative half t will be equal to positive 1 over 7. So now we're going to do log. So negative half t equal to log 7. So 1 over 7 is 7 to the power negative 1. So I'm going to move out to the front. So therefore, my negative cancelled it out. So therefore, the time is 2 times by log 7. Now this question it says you need to leave as log A form. So I'm going to move 2 to the top, become log 49. So that's it. So this is the minute. So this is our solution for the question. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next video. But don't forget, subscribe to the channel and also give us a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye.